There are many people here, like our brother here, who doesn't want to believe the story that he is dead. You heard from him. He said,
"This is a very shock news that we have heard. There's somebody who is ready to work with executives, constituency executives, and then the branch executives. And he doesn't discriminate as to whether you are MPP, you are NGC. He's somebody that tries to unite all of us together and bring us under umbrella. At least we can all benefit from his action."
Tell us how you received this news.
In fact, I was just in the house and then I got a call and I said, "No, let me do some confirmation and see."
You didn't want to believe the story?
I didn't want to believe it. In fact, it was a blow when I came to reality that actually what I have heard is really true. So what I can only do is to deal with other executives to come to the constituency to see the way forward, what we can do. In fact, it is a very big blow to us because some of us, even last night I spoke with him for about 20 minutes, around 10 of them. We discussed a lot of
if you can join us here.
We discussed a lot of things. And then you can even see the molding of the block. We are going to commission.
Okay, continue talking. I want to show this.
We are going to commission a construction of.
So let's move closer. So you can see the chippings here.
This is what we are going
and
to do Saturday.
A project. We are told that the party constituency, the central constituency office, was just preparing to begin the construction of a clinic. A clinic.
Yes.
And the foundation is already dug. And they were doing this in connection with the MP, Tamale Central, the late Dr. Murtala Ibrahim. Unfortunately, he is no more. He was part of those state officials who died in the helicopter crash that happened somewhere in the Ashanti region. You can see they have just done the foundation, and you were explaining what is going on here.
I said the sword cutting will be taking place on Saturday, and we are even putting our arrangements forward to make sure.
So he was supposed to be here on Saturday.
Projects come to reality, and then before we realized, we heard this particular unfortunate news. Actually, it is a very big blow, and I know the good people of Tamale will miss him a lot. Looking at the limited time period he has used to bring developmental projects to the good people of Tamale Central, he was a godsend, actually. But at least we love him and God also loves him. And we know where he's going, inshallah. Things will be possible from him.
Some words of prayer coming from one of the constituency executives here at the Tamale Central office of the National Democratic Congress. It is the constituency of the late Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, MP for Tamale Central, Minister for Environment. And we just showed you a project you were supposed to commission on Saturday. And so many constituents here are devastated. And they are crying, many of them reciting the Quranic verse repeatedly, Inna lillah wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And it is a moment of grief here for the people of Tamale. I'll still try and see if I can talk to more people. You live on Ghana Television. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon. Please, can you share with us your name? I know this is a very difficult moment for you.
It's not dead. It's still alive. That's all I can say.
You still don't want to believe the story?
He's still alive. He's still alive.
Well, Maurice, if you can hear me, there are many people here, like our brother here, who doesn't want to believe the story that he is dead. You heard from him. He's saying that, no, the Honorable Minister is not dead. He's still alive. He is still very hopeful that he will hear something. But unfortunately, you got the report, and I want to believe that Nicholas should be coming upstream soon with the footage of the airlifting from the grounds in the Ashanti region. So if you've just joined us, we're coming to you live from the Tamale Central constituency of the National Democratic Congress, and it is a big blow here, not just for the people of Tamale Central, but the entire northern region. this is one MP who has served as MP for Nantong, lost, and then came to contest the seat of Tamale Central and won. And he is one affable man here, beloved to many people here in the region. And earlier you heard some women telling us that even this morning they spoke with him and they prayed for him, not knowing that it was all their very final words they'll be sharing with me. Let me see if I can get to talk to more people. Sir, thank you very much. Good afternoon. You're live on Ghana Television.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. Difficult moment for you, I know. Tell us how you feel at this moment.
As at this moment, very sad. We are very sad. We're hoping to have him on Saturday to have a short cutting of one of the penalties he's been created. Just over Saturday. I was just sent to buy a food to come. Before I came, I heard the tragic news.
At what point? What time of the day did you hear this news?
It was around 12, after 12:45 that this news got to us that this is what happened. We still won't want to believe, but what we can say is in all right.
Thank you very much, Alex. So, Morris, I have to hand over to you back now in the studio to show you that.
There are people who said that I took the fertilizer to my farm.
But where did you send the fertilizer? Because we know that all constituencies were given some fertilizer.
I never went.
So that of Tamale Central, where did it go?
Governor, I never went for the fertilizer. You remember when they were giving it? Myself and Honorable Edebao, we said we should not take this fertilizer. So when others were taken, I didn't. It was when they drew my attention that I went for the fertilizer and gave it to the party executives to distribute. But because others were distributing and I didn't go for it. Then when my attention was drawn to the fact that they were distributing the fertilizer, other MPs went for it. Then I went for it and gave it to the party. You can ask the entire executive of the party. But prior to that, someone had told some chairman that I took the fertilizer to my farm in Yaba. What's the name? Governor. Yaba, my fertilizer in Yaba. In fact, and there was even this siblings for maize. They even said I went to Yaba and brought them. I don't farm maize. It's just rice. And all these things were said. That's why I'm saying that on the day of Jamiale, if you don't like me, but don't lie. I have no hand whatsoever. And you can ask Elijah's phone, you have callers out there, so call them and ask them whether I ever had any discussion with any of them to remove anybody's name.
Wow.
But it was every out there that I asked that they delete people's names. Ask them. And I'm saying that I'm challenging you, call any of them. Look, Governor, when I meet you, I'll show you text messages I sent to some of the leadership. This is the story that is going. Have I ever asked any of you? And they responded in negative, no. But it was out there, to tarnish my image. And they didn't even stop here. They went to Mecca, where you went there seeking Allah's forgiveness. And they were saying it there that I remove people's names on the day of judgment. So Governor, look, a whole lot of things have happened. But I'm saying that I realize that it's an attempt to distract me. What is important is I have started. I'm saying that the jobs I have created, as I talked to you, Governor, yesterday, after the people are God who came for interview, because jobs, they must be justified. If you want to help anybody, the person must go through interview. The person